How to search for products on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily search it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in this home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find different products and even browse through it. Here on the top, you can see the search bar. So basically, this is the place where you can search for different products that you want. Here, simply tap on it and select the one that you're searching for. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, all the products related to the keyword will pop up here. Now you can even categorize and filter different products available. So here on the top, you can filter it out and easily find the product that you're looking for. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.